Is it jollof or jollof? Please drop your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, today we are going to be making budget friendly jollof rice. This is what you can make tomorrow for Christmas, for your family, your friends, to host a little dinner. This is your go-to recipe. And yes guys, before I forget, thank you so much for 287 subscribers. At the point of recording this audio, we are 287 subscribers. I'm extremely grateful. I'm so happy because we were able to achieve this feat in less than 13 days. I think 14 days. Thank you guys so much. And please, I'm getting views, but if people are not subscribing, please help a growing YouTuber. Please guys, it is totally free. Just hit the subscribe button and that is all. You're not paying for anything, nothing is going, just for you to click that button. Thank you so much. So we're just going to go right into making our jollof rice. So as you can see, we are rinsing our rice. You have to wash your rice very well, rinse it very well till the water runs clear, and then we are going to soak that with some hot water. Because we are not parboiling that, we'll just let that sit for some time and go ahead to make our jollof base. So you go in with some vegetable oil and you go with your onions. You'll just saute that for some minutes till it is nice and fragrant, and then we'll go in with some curry so that it just infuses its flavor into the ground oil. The aroma of this is heaven. Then we'll go in with our pepper mix. This is just a blended mixture of pepper, red chili pepper, and some habanero pepper, which is our tatashi and shombo. And then we're going with our tomato paste. We're going to mix that thoroughly. We'll fry it until the sour taste is no longer there. Then I like to play with my seasonings. You have to season your jollof mix till it's at that point where it is almost salty. I didn't say till it's salty, till it is almost salty. So I play with mine. I go in with some salt, seasoning cubes, and I go in with some fermented locust beans too. Yes, remember that I said we are cooking this jollof on a budget, so we are not using mixed stock, we are not using anything. You're just going with your normal room temperature water to loosen up your jollof mix. Yes, then after doing that, our rice that has been soaked, you drain out the remaining water and you put it in your jollof rice. Simple. Once this is done, you mix it. You give it a good mix so that your mixture will get into the white rice very well. Mix it thoroughly. We are getting to the point where the trick of jollof is, yes, in your adding of water. When you are adding water to cook your jollof, this is where most people make a mistake, because people think that it is water that cook jollof. No, water do not cook your jollof. What cooks your jollof is the heat. Don't bother about it burning. If it burns, it even gives it that smoky taste. So you're going to put your water in your rice so that it is a little above your rice, just a little above your rice, because anything more than that might make your rice soggy. Then after doing that, you're going to cover your pot with foil so that the heat is trapped into the food. Did you see that heat? The smoke that came out as soon as I opened that pot? Yes, that is what you should be getting. You leave that until it is well cooked. If you open it and taste and see that your rice is not well cooked, you can still cover and allow it to cook for some time. That is all. Your rice is ready. Your rice is ready and you can serve and eat like that, since we are cooking on a budget. But if you have visitors or anything, you can buy maybe eggs or something and serve with it. That is all guys. Our jollof rice is ready. Thank you guys for watching. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe.